Hi, I'm Paige, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to sew a French seam. So first I'm going to show you the tutorial, and then we'll come back and I'll show you an example. Let's get right into it. First you're going to put your pieces of fabric together with the wrong sides touching and stitch 1/4 of an inch away from the edge. Then you can cut down the seam allowance to where it's even and smooth, and open up the seam and press that seam down to create a nice crease, and fold it over onto itself and stitch 3/8 of an inch away from the edge. Then when you've done that stitching, you can press it to one side and you've created a French seam. The raw edges are encapsulated in a channel. Okay, so that is how you sew a French seam. So places that you might use a French seam are inside of garments or bags to conceal that edge from fraying or just kind of looking a little bit straggly. But you can't do it with really super bulky fabrics because it's just going to create a very bulky seam. Like with faux fur, you would not want to do a French seam. But with something like this that's very loose and drapey and even somewhat sheer, a French seam is a really great way to treat the seams of something like that. Now this dress that I have in the background is inside out, and it's been treated with a variety of seams, and French seams are included. So I did French seams on the seam that runs down the thighs on the sides, and then also under the arms, because I just wanted those places to be soft and not bulky, and they flow really nicely. And then on the inside of this little camisole for underneath shirts, I have French seams right on the side. So you can see that right there. And it just conceals everything nicely, and it's a very thin, drapey fabric. That is how you do a French seam and ways that you may use it. You can let me know if you like this video by giving me a thumbs up down below. You can subscribe and click the bell alert to be notified anytime that I post a new video. And until next time, go get creative and make something that you love. Bye!